Guys, good morning. Today is February 28. 28 or 29?
28.
Yeah, 28. Tingnan nyo itong daan, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Both sides, marami siyang mga puno na green colors. Every time na dadaan ako dito, napaka relaxing. And yung bang mawawalang problema mo kasi makikita mo yung surroundings niya. So ito yung sa mga dinadaan namin papuntang bahay ng pasyente. Ito isang part ng Al-Ain. What's the location of this one? Where's the
This
location?
one,
Teka, tanong ko ito. Okay. Ito daw is road ng Ghanima. Ghanima is a part
this
of
is Palace of Sheikh Zayed.
Al-Ain. So napakaganda, guys. See? Hanggang dito siya. Yeah. So this is the continuation of the road going to my patient. Napakaganda talaga. And although hindi malinis sa pagkabilaan, pero tignan nyo yung mga view, may mga dates and other trees na ganyan. So yan lang aking kwento, guys, for today. Thank you for watching.